Hi, I'm Amy Green, and today I want to show you how to make DIY Thieves laundry soap. So what you're going to need for this is a 5-gallon bucket. This was the 5-gallon bucket that I could find, so I used this for this purpose. But if you could find a white pail from a hardware store, that would work fine too, a 5-gallon pail. And so the first thing we're going to do is tell you what you need to make sure you have on hand. You're going to need to have super washing soda, as well as baking soda. We're going to need about 3 cups of that, which is about 3 boxes if you buy it by the box. You're going to need Castile soap, and you're going to need Young Living's brand of Thieves household cleaner. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1.5 cups of super washing soda and put it in the bucket. We're going to add hot water. Not a whole lot, just enough to actually dissolve the super washing soda. So that's just going to take just a moment. And then while that is, and that's just dissolved, so we just want to make sure that it's nice and dissolved. The next thing we're going to add to this mixture is 3 cups of our baking soda. We're going to add 3 cups of baking soda. Now we're going to go ahead and fill up our bucket almost to the top with hot water. We're going to continue to stir while we add this. Now this does seem like it's a lot, and it is. It's 5 gallons of laundry detergent. And for each load that you're going to do, you're going to use 1/2 of a cup each load. And if you have an HE washing machine, just use a little less. It cleans the clothes perfectly fine. We've never had any issues whatsoever with it. And it also leaves a great clean smell as well. So you're just going to make sure that all of this is nice and dissolved, so that there won't be any clumps left at the bottom. Let's see. So as this reaches a good amount here, you want to make sure that you don't fill it all the way up to the top, because we're still going to be adding some ingredients. And I store this in these containers, and to make the process a little easier of transferring from this larger bucket into these smaller containers, you want to make sure that you have a funnel and some sort of cup. I just use a large cup in order to transfer them over. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you leave it to sit overnight before you use it. And as it sits, it's going to actually begin to separate. So you'll see 2 different phases here. And just before you use it, just give it a nice shake before you pour out your 1/2 cup. And it will continue to mix. And then you just pour in your 1/2 cup and it is good to go. So when you see that it is separated, nothing's gone wrong. That's just the way it's done. So this is the recipe I've used many times, and I'm happy to share it with you. So as we get to the top here, the next thing that we want to add is our 1.5 cups of Castile soap. So we'll go ahead and add this. Now this is the part where it's going to begin to get a little sudsy. So you want to wait to the very end in order to do that. Go ahead and rinse all of that out. And our last ingredient is going to be our 1/2 a cup of our Thieves household cleaner. So I've already pre-measured that. And make sure you get all of that goodness in there. Okay. So as this is continuing to fill, you want to take the time to just go ahead and make sure everything is stirred and is mixed in quite nicely. So, as you can see, you only need 5 ingredients in order to make 5 gallons of laundry soap. In order to go ahead and I'll just show you how I do this. So you could take any sort of vessel. I'm going to go ahead and use this measuring cup here. I'm just going to dip and go ahead and pour this in. And that, quite honestly, is all you have to do to make natural, healthy, clean laundry detergent for you and your family. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you very much.